I gave an AI one instruction: build me a Roblox game, and let it write the Luau. No typing my own code. Here is the honest result. For small systems, it mostly works. But there is one rule you cannot skip, or the whole thing quietly falls apart. Let me show you what actually worked, where the AI confidently gets Roblox wrong, and exactly how to verify its code. One honest note up front. Everything in this video is free, no wall, no catch. If you want a shortcut, I have one. The exact prompts I use are in my AI prompt pack for game devs. They make an AI write clean Luau, not garbage. 70 prompts, $15, link below. Totally optional. The full method is right here in this video. So can you really build a Roblox game by only prompting an AI for the code? For small, self-contained systems, a leaderboard, a shop, a save, mostly yes. The AI writes the boilerplate faster than you ever could. But mostly is doing a lot of work in that sentence. Here is the one rule that makes or breaks all of this. You must verify every single line. The AI is not connected to Roblox. It cannot run your game. It is pattern matching on millions of lines of code, some current, a lot of it outdated Lua and broken forum posts. It will hand you code that looks perfect and is quietly wrong. So the deal is simple. AI drafts. You read, you test, you understand. Treat it like a fast but unverified junior developer, and you win. Trust it blindly, and you ship exploits. Let's start with what actually works, the prompt patterns that get you clean Luau. There are 4. 1. Be specific about where the script lives. A server script in ServerScriptService, or a local script inside a button in StarterGui. The client-server split is where the AI gets lost, so pin it down for it. 2. Ask for one system at a time. Leaderstats first. Then a shop. Then saving. Ask for a whole game in a single prompt and you get a tangled mess that compiles into nothing. 3. Name the Roblox APIs you want it to use: instance.new, remote event, data store, player added. Give it the real names, and it stops inventing fake ones. 4. Ask it to explain each line. When it has to justify the code, it catches its own mistakes, and so do you. Specific location, one system, real API names, explain each line. That is the difference between a useful draft and a pile of hallucinated nonsense. Here is what a good prompt actually gets you. I asked for a server script in ServerScriptService that gives every player a leaderstats folder with a coins value. This is the code it wrote, and this one is correct. Watch what makes it right. It gets the player's service. It connects to player added, which fires for every player who joins. It creates a folder with instance.new, and names it, exactly, leaderstats. That precise name is what tells Roblox to show it on the leaderboard. Then a coins in value, parented into that folder. This is textbook Roblox. The AI nailed it because the prompt told it the script type, the location, and the API names. Good prompt in, correct Luau out. Now the honest part, where the AI confidently gets Roblox wrong. 3 failure modes to watch for. First, it invents methods and properties that do not exist. It will write something like player, give coins, which reads beautifully and simply is not a real Roblox method. Your output window fills up with, give coins is not a valid member. Second, and this is the dangerous one, it forgets the client-server boundary. Ask an AI for a coin button, and there is a real chance it writes something like this, in a local script. This looks like it works. In Studio, you click, the number goes up. But it runs on the client. That coin value only lives on that one player's screen. And worse, any exploiter can run the exact same line and hand themselves a billion coins. Your economy is wide open. The fix is to move every coin change onto the server. Same idea, but now the server owns the coins, and the client can only ask. Third, outdated APIs. It uses a lowercase connect instead of connect, or the old wait instead of task.wait. It compiles, throws deprecation warnings, and breaks on you later. None of this is the AI being useless. It is the AI being an unverified junior. You are the senior. So how do you actually catch all that? The verification workflow, and it is not optional. Step 1. Run it in Roblox Studio. The AI cannot, you have to. Press play and let it execute. Step 2. Read the output window. Every hallucinated method, every nil reference, every deprecation warning shows up there in red. That window is your lie detector. Step 3, the one only you can do. Check the client-server boundary yourself. Ask a single question, where does this run, and could a cheater run it too? If coin logic lives in a local script, move it to the server. No error message will ever tell you that. Run it, read the output, check the boundary. When a test fails, paste the real error straight back into the AI and ask it to fix that one specific thing. Draft, test, correct, that loop is the whole skill. Here is the takeaway, and it is genuinely good news. AI massively speeds up the boring part. Boilerplate Luau, leaderstats, remote event wiring, a data store skeleton, it drafts in seconds what used to take you an hour. But notice what every fix in this video required. Knowing that coins belong on the server. Knowing what a remote event is actually for. Knowing what a real data store call looks like. The AI is the fastest typist you have ever met. The developer who understands leaderstats, remote events, and data stores is the one who actually ships. AI does not replace learning the fundamentals. It rewards it. Let's lock it in. Can you build a Roblox game with only AI prompts? For small systems, yes, as long as you verify every line. The prompts that work. Name where the script lives. Ask for one system at a time. Give it the real API names. And make it explain each line. Where it goes wrong. Invented methods. The client-server exploit. And outdated APIs. And the workflow. Run it in Studio. Read the output window. And check the client-server boundary yourself. AI drafts. You understand. You ship. That is the honest version of building a Roblox game with AI. It is a genuine superpower, for a developer who knows enough to check its work. Want the exact prompts that get clean Luau on the first try? The AI prompt pack for game devs is $15, linked below. The full written guide is in the description too. Subscribe for more honest Roblox scripting, and go build something, then verify it. See you in the next one.